Sneaker world, internets. This is a drip projector where the flavor selective and always with that South Carolina perspective. Today's episode is about the Yeezy foam 450s. You know what I'm saying? It's not a foam runner, but yeah, let's take a look at it. So this is the first time an actual foam 450 slide ever dropped, and they're pretty interesting, pretty trendy. They sold out in minutes. Everybody wanted them or tried to go for them to flip them. So let's take a look at what's in the box. So if you're pretty familiar with the Yeezy lineup, then you already know about the 450 silhouette. This is the actual 450 slide, only seen on Kim Kardashian maybe 2 years before this actual release. But these dropped for the Yeezy Day 2. And unfortunately, I took an L. So I'm reviewing my fam pair. And honestly, this is very interesting. Like the design right here on the top kind of reminds me of a Cheeto. And then we had that traditional 450 like bottom. Some Adidas branding. Also on the bottom right here is more Adidas branding. And I actually don't see anything other than the tag that lets you know it is a Adidas times Yeezy release. But I mean, everybody know this is a Yeezy. We also have some branding on the inside. So pretty simple silhouette. If you know, you know. If you got them on the Confirm app, get in the comments and let me know. I mean, your boy, he took an L, but yeah, these are super interesting. And they feel comfortable just like a normal Yeezy slide. Just a futuristic design. And hopefully we get more colorways, but I don't know because it's reported that after they drop all the pairs that has been in backstop, that is it between Yeezy and Adidas. So hopefully they made a black colorway. But until the next episode, peace and love, y'all.